Hello, it's Thursday, May 13th, 2010, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from MaxiForex. The dollar strengthened against most majors after UK and Spain said that they are concerned that the European debt crisis will curtail global growth, leading investors to buy safety assets like the dollar. Nasdaq and Dow Jones rose by 2.09% and 1.38% respectively. Crude weakened by 0.9%, closing at $75.60 a barrel, and gold jumped by 1.9% to close at $1,243.10 an ounce. Today, unemployment claims are expected at 440,000 versus 444,000 prior. Fed Chairman Bernanke speaks. The euro weakened for a third day over concern that the region's most indebted nations will struggle to contain their deficits, slowing Europe's economic recovery. The euro-dollar has been trading downward since April and has been broken its support level each time, lending it a distinctly bearish momentum. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 126.05 and a high of 127.39. Today sees the release of the ECB monthly bulletin. The pound weakened against the dollar as the Bank of England said risks to the UK's economic recovery have increased, underscoring the need for Prime Minister David Cameron's new coalition government to tackle Britain's deficit. The pound dollar has been trading downward since last week, and overall the pound dollar traded with a low of 148.18 and a high of 150.45. Today, trade balance is expected at minus 6.5 billion versus minus 6.2 billion prior. The yen declined against the euro and the dollar as a stock market rally reduced demand for the Japanese currency as a haven from financial turmoil. The main resistance of the dollar-yen is 93.65. If it breaks this level, a long position is preferred. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 92.45 and a high of 93.28. No data is expected today. Finally, the Canadian dollar. This rose for a fourth day in the longest stretch of gains in almost 6 weeks versus the dollar, as a gain in stocks made currencies tied to economic growth more attractive. Trade balance came out worse than expected at 0.3 billion versus 1.6 billion forecast. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 101.53 and a high of 102.47. No economic data is expected today. That's it from me. Be sure to visit us at maxiforex.ru.